Let's talk about the recently launched INFINIX smartphone 020 innovative design, charming look. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, with 6.7-inch Full HD plus water drop notch display, with resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with approximately 92% screen-to-body ratio, with approximately 393 ppi pixel density, and with 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The phone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel main wide-angle camera, along with 13 megapixel camera, with 2 megapixel camera. For selfies it has 60 megapixel OIS wide-angle camera with water drop notch display. For the software, the handset turns on Android 12 operating system based on XOS 12 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core, powered by MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the phone plugs with 8 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable through dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.43 by 76.66 by 7.98 mm, and it weighs around 196 grams, and the color options space gray, glitter gold, green fantasy colors, to see in this phone, and the device comes backed by a massive 4500 mAh battery, with 45-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the phone also feature side-mounted fingerprint sensor with AI face unlock for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the smartphone includes dual SIM 4G, dual point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm audio jack, and dual speakers, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The INFINIX 020 has been priced in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 79,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this INFINIX 020? Do let us know in the comments section below, and for more tech updates, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.